we're going to explain how to reset your Optimum router. There are two main ways to do this: a soft reset and a hard reset. A soft reset simply restarts the router, clearing temporary glitches. This often solves minor connectivity issues. To perform a soft reset, 1. Locate the power button on your Optimum router, usually a small button on the back. 2. Press and hold the power button for about 10-15 seconds. You might see lights blink or change during this process. 3. Release the button and wait for the router to power back on completely. This usually takes a couple of minutes. Once the lights are stable, try reconnecting your devices. A hard reset, on the other hand, erases all the router's settings and returns it to its factory defaults. Use this only as a last resort if a soft reset doesn't work, or if you're giving the router away or selling it. Before proceeding, note down your Optimum internet username, password, and any other custom settings you've applied. You'll need this information to reconnect after the reset. To perform a hard reset, 1. Locate a small pinhole reset button, usually on the back or bottom of the router. It's often labeled Reset or has a similar indication. 2. Using a straightened paper clip or a similar small pointed object, press and hold the reset button for 10-20 seconds. 3. You will typically see the lights on the router blink rapidly as it resets. 4. Release the button and wait for the router to reboot. This can take several minutes. Once the router finishes restarting, you'll need to configure it again using your Optimum account credentials. Usually, your internet service provider will have instructions for setting up your router on their website. 5. Connect your computer or other devices to your Wi-Fi network by entering the new Wi-Fi password, which by default is printed on the sticker present behind your modem. This password is changed only if you set a new password. 6. Access the router's web interface, usually by typing 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1 into a web browser. Check your router's manual if it doesn't work. 7. Use the default username and password, often admin for both. But again, check your router manual for confirmation if necessary. 8. You'll then use the web interface to input your Optimum username, password, and any other relevant details to re-establish your internet connection. Remember to save your settings once you have made the changes. If you encounter problems after trying these steps, contact Optimum customer support for further assistance. They may be able to troubleshoot remotely or send a technician to your home.